Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabrielle, and today I'm going to be walking you through a quick and easy breakfast recipe that is full of protein but also nutrients and is fairly healthy. I have been on my own journey over the last few months of trying to eat a lot healthier than I used to eat. Definitely trying to cut back on carbs because I know that I'm a little bit intolerant to them and they make me feel really bloated and really sick and sometimes dizzy. So at one point I was literally eating processed wheat like breakfast, lunch, and dinner a few months ago, and now I have significantly scaled back on that to the point where I only eat that a few times a week. I still allow it sometimes, but I'm trying not to have it be the main focus of my diet because I know it is much to my detriment. So today our recipe is going to be chocolate pumpkin breakfast bars with oats. And I know oats have gluten in them, but for me, my main thing is that I'm trying to avoid processed wheat. And so that is the main thing I'm trying to avoid. I found this recipe on TikTok. I will tag the girl in the description box who I got the recipe from. I've kind of modified it a little bit, but not much. And I'm really appreciative that she made this recipe because it's helped me a lot. And I haven't made it in a hot minute, so I'm excited to make it with you guys today. All right, so I'm gonna get the ingredients out right now that I need. First thing I need is pumpkin puree, oats, honey, chia seeds, and lots of chocolate, which is my favorite part. I'm biased a little bit, but it's fine. Okay, please do not judge my pantry. I also forgot to say that almond butter is essential for this recipe. First, get a large glass bowl and then get a mixer out. I like to add the oats first, 2 cups of rolled oats, dump that into the bowl, then get a can of pumpkin puree. I accidentally used the whole can this time and it was kind of mushy, but it still tasted good. And then I use half a cup of almond butter. You can use crunchy or creamy. And then I just pour that into the bowl. It kind of gets stuck, so you kind of have to use a spoon. And then I use half a cup of honey. This is the best part. It's what makes it stick together. It's so good. Then I use 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. I try not to go too heavy on that. And then I just do a pinch of cinnamon. It just kind of ties it together. And then I dump tons of chocolate chips in because I'm obsessed with chocolate chips and I have a problem. Then I put my mixer together. This was my first time using my mixer. I didn't used to use this in the fall because I didn't have it, but I got it as a Christmas gift and it made it so much easier this time. Then I got out some parchment paper and it makes it so much easier to get it out of the container, and then I just dumped the mix into the parchment paper and flattened it out with a spoon. And then I put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And okay, that was quite the ordeal. I have made an absolute mess over here, but I'm gonna clean it up in just a minute. But while we wait for the bars in the fridge, because I have to go in for 20 minutes, I am going to go ahead and melt the chocolate that is going to be the topping for the bars. Okay, I have my chocolate bars out. I usually use 4 Hershey bars. I melt them down and then I drizzle it over the top because I feel like I've found that that is the best way to get an actual thick layer of chocolate. Otherwise, it's just gonna like barely be there. So I am going to unwrap all of these, put them in a bowl, and put them in the microwave. So I just got it out of the microwave, time to stir it up, and then I get the granola out of the refrigerator and I go ahead and pour it on the top of the granola. Just try to get everything out of the bowl that I possibly can and try to make it go as far as it can. Then I spread it around. I want to make sure that it's fully covered before I put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna eat some because it's so delicious. So yeah, jump scare. Okay, well that is all for today's video. I have chocolate in my teeth. I'm excited to eat the bars. I'll have to film a clip later of what they end up looking like because I usually put them in the fridge for like 2 hours after I put the chocolate on because I really want it to harden so that it's crunchy. Anyways, I hope that you guys go and try this recipe out. I hope that you enjoy this video. It's just been a rainy day here in Charlotte, so I wanted to do a little baking video, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love you so much and I'm so thankful you're here. Feel free to subscribe below, like this video, and comment other recipes I should try out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!